Morning, everyone. I hope you all are doing well and may have revised the previously learned topics. So now, our today's topic is pressure belts and planetary winds. Air pressure. Air pressure is the force exerted by air molecules pushing against objects. These molecules constantly move and collide, applying pressure not only from above but also from all sides. Factors affecting air pressure. 1. Density of air molecules. More air molecules near the Earth's surface due to gravity increase air pressure. 2. Heating of air. When air is heated, molecules gain energy, move faster, and may rise to higher altitudes. This reduces air pressure near the surface. 3. Cooling of air. Cooler air molecules lose energy, move closer, and become denser. Dense air descends, increasing air pressure. Inverse relationship between temperature and air pressure. When air heats up, pressure decreases, low pressure. When air cools, pressure increases, high pressure. Movement of air, winds. Air moves from high-pressure areas to low-pressure areas. Movement of air creates winds of varying speeds. 1. Breeze, slow, comfortable winds. 2. Gust, short bursts of fast wind. 3. Storm, very high-speed winds. Pressure belts. The Earth's uneven heating causes pressure differences at various latitudes, creating pressure belts. 1. Equatorial Low-Pressure Belt, ITCZ, Intertropical Convergence Zone. Intense heat at the equator causes air to rise, creating a low-pressure zone. 2. Subtropical High-Pressure Belt. Rising air from the equator cools and descends around 30 degrees latitude, forming high-pressure zones. 3. Subpolar Low-Pressure Belt. Around 60 degrees latitude, warm subtropical air meets cold polar air, creating low-pressure zones. 4. Polar High-Pressure Belt. Cold air at the poles descends, creating high-pressure zones. Planetary winds. 1. Trade winds. Air flows from subtropical high-pressure belts to equatorial low-pressure belts. Deflected by the Coriolis effect. Move right in the northern hemisphere. Move left in the southern hemisphere. 2. Westerlies. Air flows from subtropical high-pressure belts to subpolar low-pressure belts. Deflected due to the Earth's rotation. 3. Polar easterlies. Air flows from polar high-pressure belts to subpolar low-pressure belts. Coriolis effect. Earth's rotation deflects the path of winds. Rightward in the northern hemisphere. Leftward in the southern hemisphere. The effect is stronger near the poles and weaker near the equator. Local wind variations. Differences in heating and cooling rates of land and water influence local wind patterns. For example, Andhra Pradesh experiences cyclones caused by local pressure changes. Role of winds in weather and history. 1. Weather and climate. Winds influence global and local weather patterns. 2. Historical significance. Vasco da Gama used winds to discover a sea route to India. Trade winds facilitated the transport of spices, helping establish Portuguese colonial rule. Thanks for watching.